The next topic is equivalent class. The definition for equivalent class is if R is an equivalence relation in a set capital A, then R divides A into mutually disjoint subsets AI. See here, R is an equivalence relation. Just now we have learned about equivalence relation. Equivalence relation means it should satisfy the condition of reflexive, symmetric and transitive. In that equivalence relation, see here, R is an equivalence relation, divides A into mutually disjoint subsets. Mutually disjoint subset means divide the relation into two sets so that intersection of two sets is a null set. That is the meaning for mutually disjoint subsets. For example, if I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4 as a single set, then using the condition we have to divide that subset, that is P1 1 comma 2 and P2 3 comma 4. These two are subsets and this has given the name partition. That is the name partition. AI, that is partition of A satisfying. Now see here, 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4. Why I have divided in such way? Why I have not taken as 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 4? For selecting these two subsets, we have to follow some rules. Now what are the rules? Let us see. All elements of AI are related to each other for all I. This is first one. Second is no element of AI is related to any element of AI, AJ. I is not equal to J. Now see here, union of AJ will be equal to A and and AI intersection AJ is equal to 5. I is not equal to J. The subset AI is called as equivalent class. If it is so, then the equivalent class will be denoted by the symbol square bracket of X. How to write this square bracket? Now see here, the definition of square bracket is, that is a Y, such that Y how to select is, Y should belongs to the set A, and in the ordered pair x comma y, where you are having this x and another element is there in the relation, you select only that y here. See, using this example, let us see. Now a is equal to 1 2 3 4. Four elements are there. A cross A means here 4 elements and one more into 4 elements, 2 to the power m into n, 4 into 4, total 16 elements will be there. I have taken a relation, a subset from the Cartesian product, so only these elements I have selected. Now in this, for the first element, these all my x. For first element 1, square bracket inside 1. Now where is this xy I have to select? Now see, in this ordered pair, which ordered pair is having the first element as 1? Here 1 comma 1 is there. The next one 1 comma 2 is there. So first element should be this one only. Therefore here also the first element is 1 and next y will be 2. This y I am going to write here. Next, for the next one 2, square bracket of 2 is equal to, select the ordered pairs where 2 is the first element. Here 2 comma 2 is there and 2 comma 1 is there. In 2 comma 2, first element will be 2 only. Ordered y element is also same and here y element is 1. 2 comma 1, I can write this 2 comma 1 as 1 comma 2 also. So these two subsets are same, so these two I can make it as a single partition. Similarly, go for this one, 3 box of 3, that is equivalent class of 3 is equal to, select this one, 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 4. So the y element right here, 3 and 4. Now write equivalent class of 4. Equivalent class of 4 means ordered per 4 comma 4 and 4 comma 3 will be there. So the y element is 4 and 3. This 4 comma 3 we can write it as 3 comma 4 also. These two subsets are same, therefore these two make it as a second partition. Now the single A has divided into two partition. Now all elements of AI related to all other i's also. Now this is not related with this and this is not related with this. Now union of these two is equal to, you will get the set A, that is union of AJ is equal to A, and intersection of these two elements is 5. Here AI and AJ, this is equal to 5. I and J are not equal. This is the definition for equivalence class.